Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Let's go find Adam. Adam, where are you? Zoe's room.
Let's go.
What are you doing there?
Let's go. Yeah,
What are you doing here? Your sister's not even here.
Mommy, let's go. It's a surprise for you.
What is that?
It's my boy. Look.
Oh no, don't play with that. I cleaned Zoe's bedroom yesterday. I mean, like, Adam's, almost all of our rooms, by the way. And yeah, so
That's it.
she's probably downstairs now. I have to put a different table over here. Oh,
Oh, my loves.
in the middle. I put it back there now.
Butterfly. Mommy, it's a butterfly.
So wala na yung lumang bed niya, nasa bedroom downstairs na, because basta may secret kami and I'll update you kapag ready na ako i-share siya.
Butterfly.
So hindi pa ako ready mag-share ngayon, pero ayan, nililinis ko na siya. But anyway, Adam, come on.
No, I made a butterfly.
Oh, I'll put it back.
I made a butterfly.
Okay.
I made a butterfly.
Yeah.
I made a butterfly.
Okay. Go on and put it back. Careful. You should go to the other side. Okay, put it back. Let's go downstairs. I don't think Daddy will be waking up anytime soon.
Let's go.
Okay. Wait for me. So, yung yung bed ni Zoe is here na, nandito na. So, you guys can see, ayan, naka-arrange na siya dito. Tapos, ayan, inilagay ko dito. Tapos, andun yung bunny niya for, dito muna siya. Tapos, inaayos ko pa kasi, so, ayan, medyo nandiyan pa siya, tapos makalat pa dito. Kasi, pagod na ako kahapon. So, anyway, ayan sila. Dito kasi yung bedroom ni Zoe before, nung kalilipat pa lang namin. It was here kasi hindi pa ready yung upstairs namin before. Dito siya natutulog. Crib lang siya. Isang crib lang siya dito and that's it.
What did you say?
Not you were, this was your first bedroom. When we first bought this house, this was your first bedroom. You were sleeping here all by yourself, alone in here on the crib, and then mommy and daddy's bedroom is the dining room now. Yung next room, yung dining room namin dati, yun yung bedroom namin ng husband ko. Kasi nung maliit pa si Zoe, dito siya, tapos dun kami sa kabilang room. Yung upstairs, empty. Si Adam, super tan.
Mommy, what did you do? Mr. Carey?
Be careful, oh, you might fall in here.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day.
So, ayan, hindi nyo naman nakita kasi may bra ako dyang tinatago. Ayan, ayan na lang. So, medyo may, ano ba yan? So, medyo may ayos-ayos ako ng konti ngayon kasi nag-lipstick ako kasi nag-film ako ng TikTok and ayun lang. Nag-film lang ako ng TikTok. But anyway, so yung husband ko is in the office right now. I'm dealing with so many paperworks. I'm dealing with some filming. I'm dealing with getting rid of some spiders that comes back very quickly sa bahay namin. And I'm just happy na well-arranged na siya. Ayan, maayos na. And konting linisin na lang. And hopefully, the other fixing will just come together and be done with it. Kasi basta, I will probably share it kapag medyo okay na. Kapag hindi na pa masyadong busy dito sa bahay. But anyway, ay tsura natin. I lost weight since since we went to vacation in Croatia. And when we get back, I still don't gain. I have as much. Yan. Ewan kung bakit hindi itsurang pantay ang kulay ko, but it's pantay ang kulay. It's pantay ang kulay, but ayan. But anyway, so ayan. Look the amount of blackberries we have. Ang dami kong, look, ang dami niya. Ang daming bunga. Ripe na siya. Ang dami. Yan yung blackberry. Ito yung blueberry na kinuha ko. Yung blueberries. Ang lalaki niya. Ang lalaki niya. You want blackberries?
Yes.
Call Adam. Table. Table. Table.
When it's bonus, that means I can look.
No. No. I said table. Bull. Table. Apple. Table. Don't you remember what we learned yesterday?
Oh yeah.
We're doing spelling and English. So I hope I will not be copyright because Adam is playing something on the phone. Table. Waffle. Waffle. Oh gosh, I got cold. I catch cold.
It's just like spelling waffler.
And what about shirt? Shirt.
Shirt?
Uh-huh.
But I didn't learn that.
Shirt. Shirt.
How to spell shirt?
Sh is S-H. Sh. 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 Shirt. Short. Shop. Sh. Shirt.
So it's like spelling t-shirt, but first is
Oh my goodness.
T and then space and then shirt.
Okay, so let's see. You got green, cow, the carrot, the cute, the table. Okay, good that you corrected it. Waffle, shirt. Well, there is a missing one here. Letter I. So you got one mistake. Shop, shoot, shell. Shell is double L, like that. So you got
How am I
two.
supposed to know?
That's okay.
I never heard.
And shower. Shower has letter E in here. Okay. Okay. Okay, so you got so far 3 mistakes.
Okay, so I guess
last,
all of them will be good this time.
fast, last, love, dove, cave, brave, and safe. Noviji, you've got only 3 mistakes. Good
I'm
job.
gonna get it right this time.
Ayan, I harvested again some blueberries kasi I'm gonna make another batch of blueberry cake. Yung blackberry, mamaya mag-harvest din ako. Tapos kumuha ako sa puno ng kamatis, ng mga cherry tomatoes. This is probably the biggest cherry tomatoes. It's not cherry tomatoes anymore. And isang cucumber. Medyo ready na din yung iba kasi hindi ko muna kinuha kasi baka masayang. So, ayan. Magluluto ako. So, ayan. Naka-harvest ako ng apples. Konti lang yung apples namin this year. Pero, ayan. Kumakain yung asawa ko ng isa. Tapos, ito yung nakuha ko. Yung iba ng laglag na. Ewan ko itong isa to kasi may ganito siya sa ano. So, let's see. Pero, ready na siya kasi pag hawak ko sa kanya, nag-ano na lang siya. Bigla na lang siyang natanggal. So, that means ready na siyang i-pick up. So, walang ka-effort alisin. So, ayan o. Pag ganun ko sa kanya na ano na siya, nalaglag na siya kaagad. So, that means it's ready. Ayan. Last year, we barely get harvest ng green apple namin. Ito naman, ganito, ready na din siya kasi nalaglag na siya sa kamay ko. But anyway, so ayan, 2, 4, 6, yung isa kinain na ng asawa ko. Ayan. Ayan na. Konti na lang yung bulaklak ng garden namin. Busy na siya. Ano kaya yung gumagalaw dun sa side na yun? Kanina pa siyang parang may gumagalaw. I'm just too scared to go there. Pero anyway, so ayan yung itsura niya. Wala na masyadong flower, pero ito sobrang laguna niya. Ayan na yung itsura. Grabe yung lili na. Yung lili namin, ang ganda. Oh, by the way, ito pala. Ayan, diba? Yung past. Tatanda. Naglilinis kasi ako. Tapos, ayan na siya. Dadagdagan na lang siya dito kasi kulang pa. Pero, ayan na siya, oh. Nilagyan na namin. Oh, diba? It looks nice already. Tapos, ito, nilalagyan lang namin ng mga compost. Tapos, lalagyan namin ng soil. Tapos, ayan siya. Ganyan na yung itsura niya. Medyo magulo doon kasi umulan siya. Pero, ayan na siya. Ang ganda. Ganda. Naglalaro yung dalawa. Dan yung kamatis ko, etong grabe yung bunga niya. Ang dami. Hanggang doon pa yun sa kabila. Tapos yung cherry tomatoes, medyo konti na lang yung bunga. Ayan. Yung dalawa nagbabike. Dry yung soil kasi mainit. Water ako. Ayun sila. Good bike sila habang nag-snack.
Or living my pace, you're only young once, yeah that's all great. But I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living